Good morning, friends. Welcome to our channel TDS News. I'm here with the latest news updates for you all. So let's start without wasting any time. Direct appointment of 32 talented players of Jharkhand will be done soon, CM Hemant Soren said while launching the sports portal. In the first phase, the state government will give direct appointment to 32 promising and talented players of Jharkhand within 1 month. Chief Minister Hemant Soren said this while inaugurating the sports portal. He said that the state government is trying to improve the condition of sports and sports person. It is the effort of the state government that with the help of other help, the qualified and talented players will be directly recruited in the coming months. Jharkhand Education Minister Jagannath Mahto said to Chennai by air ambulance, now MGM will be treated. Jharkhand Education Minister Jagannath Mahto, who was suffering from a lungs infection after being infected from corona, was airlifted to Chennai. On Monday, he was sent by air ambulance at 6:35 p.m. under the supervision of lung pathologist from Chennai. Dongri MLA Jagannath Mahto of Jharkhand Mukti Morcha may also have to undergo a lungs transplant. Earlier, he was removed from ventilator at Medica Hospital and put on ECMO machine. Jagannath Mahto will now be treated in Chennai under the provision of the doctors of MGM Hospital. Alert! Another crisis in Ranchi amid corona crisis. Poison dissolved in the air can cause havoc at any time. Amidst the corona crisis, there is a bad news for Ranchi, the capital of Jharkhand. Poison dissolved in the air can havoc at any time, can make people severely ill. Yes, pollution has increased considerably in the capital Ranchi. The amount of such element is more than normal, which will make people sick, especially those who have difficulty in breathing. That is, the air of Ranchi has become very deadly for asthma patient. That is why elderly people and people struggling with respiratory disease does not leave home unnecessarily. Bihar seats cutoff for MBBS BDS expected to be 705 or 695. Based on NEET result, counseling of students will be conducted soon for admission in MBBS and BDS program. Admission will be taken on 1207 seats of AIIMS and 2020 seats of AIIMS with 80,005 MBBS and 26,949 seats of BDS. Launch of the cheapest model of Bajaj Pulsar. Bajaj Auto has introduced the cheapest variant of its popular bike Pulsar 125. This is the popular 125 Spirit Set Dum variant. Priced at 73,274. It is about 7,000 rupees cheaper option than the already available disc brake version, which has an ex-showroom price of rupees 80,218. This bike is available in black, red, black, silver color option. Paytm will soon launch next generation with a lot of features with credit card, cashback and reward points. Online payment company Paytm is very busy preparing to launch the next generation credit card soon. Paytm announced on Monday that it is working on making the next generation credit card. For this, it is also partnering with various credit card issuing companies. Along with this, it has also said that the number of customers of Paytm is around 15 to 20 crores and the company is going to issue about 20 lakh credit cards in the next 12 to 18 months. Two government banks are offering personal loans at less than 9% interest. Most of the people in the country are facing financial crisis due to loss of work, loss of wages, loss of jobs in corona era. Even in the festive season, due to lack of money, people are not looking bright to the market. E-commerce companies are offering special offers to increase sale so that their business can get back on track. In the time of such crisis where most of the people are busy with money, many banks of the country are giving the cheapest personal loan at a low interest to the people to overcome the money problem. The most important thing is that if you are short of money and your CIBIL score is not bad, then you will get a personal loan at less than 9% interest. It is not empty of danger. Updating Aadhaar card again and again. A default identification can be used. If you want to make any kind of update in your Aadhaar card or want to improve the name and address, then it is very important to have a mobile link. If your Aadhaar will not be linked to mobile, then you will have to link it by visiting Aadhaar Sevak post office or bank branch. However, there is an extremely easy way to link mobile from Aadhaar. You can go to any Aadhaar service center, post office or branch of Aadhaar service bank and link your mobile to Aadhaar number. FIR will be logged in the smuggling case of 17 girls of Jharkhand. Tomorrow, everyone's corona An FIR will be registered on Tuesday in the case of smuggling of 17 girls from Jharkhand. Ranchi ruler SP Naushad Alam gave this information on Monday. In the name of getting these 17 girls, a broker was taking them to Tamil Nadu. The villagers got suspicious in the Talta of Ratu police station area. So after questioning, they handed over the smugglers and all 17 girls to the police. Student harassed by objectionable poster gave her life. Action was taken despite complaint police. Troubled over respectively posting objectionable photos by hacking Facebook account, student Neha Kumari hanged herself late in the night of October 18. Neha, daughter of Dilip Prasad, a resident of Bosha village of Mufassal police station area, has left a 4-page suicide note in which Jaya Bharat Nagar Anand Bihar resident Manjeet Kumar is responsible for his. Also, the PIN number of your ATM is also written. COVID-19 updates. In the last 1 week in Jharkhand, the corona infection rate has been 1.84%. In Ranchi, the rate was 5.09%. This rate has increased in Ranchi as compared to the previous week. However, compared to the first week of October, the rate in Ranchi has come down. 14.05% of the infected were found in Ranchi between the first week of October, that is 28 September to 4 October. Weather updates. In Ranchi, temperature will almost be 18 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius and partly sunny. Fuel prices. Petrol up to Rs 81 and diesel up to Rs 74.91 with a stable. Special about today. On 20 October, it is celebrated as the International Chef's Day. On 20 October 1864, US President Abraham Lincoln formally established Thanksgiving as a national holiday. That's all for today's news. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, like, comment and share.